In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Amazon. If you're anything like me, you appreciate the comfort and style that a dark theme can provide, especially when you're browsing at night or in dimly lit environments. Bright screens can be harsh on the eyes, and switching to a dark mode can help reduce eye strain, make reading more comfortable, and save a bit of battery life on devices with OLED screens. So let's dive into how you can bring this feature to your Amazon browsing experience using the Night Eye extension. To get started, you'll need to install the Night Eye extension. Night Eye is a highly regarded extension that seamlessly applies a dark mode to various websites, including Amazon. It's available on multiple browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, and even Safari, so you're likely covered regardless of your preference. Head over to your browser's extension store and look for Night Eye. Once you've found it, click on the Install or Add button. You may be prompted to accept some permissions, and you'll have to confirm these before the installation can proceed. With the extension installed, the next phase is refreshingly simple. All you need to do is visit the Amazon website. Unlike other tools that require complicated setups or manual toggles, Night Eye will automatically apply a gorgeous dark theme the moment you access Amazon. You'll notice that the traditional bright white background transforms into a sleek, subdued, black or dark gray, with text and images adapting to create a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing contrast. This automatic application is what makes Night Eye particularly user-friendly and why it's such a popular choice among users who want to enjoy dark mode on their favorite websites with minimal effort. Should you wish to customize your dark mode experience a bit further, Night Eye typically provides options to tweak things like brightness, contrast, and saturation, letting you fine-tune the appearance to suit your specific needs or preferences. You can access these settings through the Night Eye icon that usually appears in the toolbar after installation. Feel free to experiment with these options until you find the perfect balance that makes your browsing as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. And that's it. You've now transformed Amazon into an inviting, dark mode wonderland. This setup is an excellent way to enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience, whether you're night shopping for books, electronics, or simply exploring the vast array of products Amazon offers. If you find the dark mode beneficial, consider exploring other supported sites with Night Eye to make your overall web experience more soothing on the eyes. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on enabling dark mode on Amazon. We hope it enhances your browsing experience and provides a little extra comfort as you explore everything that today's digital world has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day and happy browsing.